content is king, right? That's what everyone keeps saying.
Yeah.
But it seems like there's got to be more to it than that.
Oh, there is definitely more to it.
Because you can put out great content, but if you don't know how people are reacting to it, what's the point?
Right.
It's kind of like baking a cake, and you don't know if anyone likes it.
Yeah,
So that's where content analytics comes in.
absolutely. You need to know what's happening.
And that's what we're diving deep on today, right?
Yeah.
Content analytics, but specifically how AI is changing the game.
Yeah, I mean, it used to be you could just kind of like look at the data, see how many people are looking at the page, but now with AI, it can go so much deeper.
I'm intrigued. So we're talking about moving beyond just those basic numbers like page views and downloads and clicks, right? What exactly is it that AI can bring to the table here?
Well, I mean, that's a great question because AI and machine learning are giving us a lot of tools that can help us understand our audience better, which is, I think, the most important thing.
So like actually telling us what people want.
Yeah. What are they relating to? What are they not? You can even start to predict future trends, which is pretty amazing.
Okay, so that's a pretty big claim, predict future trends. That's like next level.
It is, but it's possible when you have enough data, and AI is very good at crunching huge amounts of data.
Okay, so the AI is taking in all this data, but what's it actually telling us that we can use? Because our source talks about refining blog posts and social media campaigns, even video content. So
Yeah.
can you give me a concrete example?
Sure. Let's take blog posts, for example.
Okay,
You might have a handful of blog posts that you've written that do really well,
okay.
and you're like, why are these doing so well? AI can look at those and be like, well, you're using a certain long tail keyword phrase, or you're using a specific type of structure that keeps people engaged, and that can then inform you on how to write future blog posts.
It's not just telling you, hey, this post did well or this post did badly.
Right.
It's actually analyzing it and finding the reasons why.
It's finding those hidden patterns that maybe as a human you just don't see because we're not looking at all the data points that AI is able to.
So it's going beyond just the surface level data
Absolutely.
and taking us deeper. So what about social media? Because
Yeah.
everyone's trying to crack that code, right?
Social media is a tough one because so much of that is trends, which are always evolving.
Yeah.
But AI can definitely help because you can identify the best time to post. You can figure out if a certain type of phrasing works better with your audience.
So like customizing the message for different audiences.
Yeah, even within your audience, there's going to be people who are going to react differently to certain messages, and AI can help you tease that out.
Okay, that makes sense. And then what about video? Because everybody's saying video, 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 but there's so much video content out there. How do you stand out?
That's where AI can come in and be like a super editor.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it can look at how people are reacting to video. Like, are they clicking away after 30 seconds?
Oh, interesting.
Are they staying to the end? Okay.
And it can determine the optimal length. It can figure out what pacing works best.
So AI is telling me, don't ramble for 5 minutes in the intro.
I might tell you that, yeah.
Yeah.
Or put the good stuff up front, you know?
Don't bury the lead.
Right, exactly.
Okay, so AI is helping us with pacing, making sure people don't click away. Anything else? What else can it do with video?
Well, think about things like automatically generating subtitles,
Oh, right.
which is great for accessibility. It can even identify those key moments in your video that are most engaging and help you create those little snippets that go viral on social media.
That's cool. So it's like AI is taking over all the tedious behind-the-scenes tasks.
A lot of them, yeah.
That's amazing. So it seems like AI can really help us make better content, understand our audience.
Yeah, it's like having a data-driven partner in the whole content creation process.
But it's not a replacement for us, right? We still have to be creative.
Absolutely.
Right.
We still need to bring the human element to it.
Yeah.
You're not just letting AI run wild and create all your content for you. So it's a tool
It's a tool, exactly.
that helps us be more effective.
Right.
So where do you see the future of AI and content going?
Well, it's definitely going to become even more integrated into the entire content creation process. I mean, I can see a future where you're using AI to brainstorm ideas even,
Wow.
just based on what it knows about your audience and what's working well.
That is kind of mind-blowing.
It is. But I think the key is always going to be finding that balance between using data and using your own creativity and your own voice.
So it's a partnership.
It's a partnership. That's the key takeaway.
And for anyone listening out there, if you're not already incorporating AI into your content creation, you might want to start looking into it.
I would agree with that.
Because it can really take things to the next level. But just remember, keep that human element. Don't let the machines take over completely.
Well said.
Keep creating, everyone,
Have fun.
and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.